Hello, welcome back. Again, just showing the sponsors off, but we're into part two now of the January 2022 paper one. Not regional, this one's the local one, I suppose. And we're at question 6. So I just put my keyboard away and we'll start working. So solve the inequality. This one's very much just like an equation. So treat it like that. First of all, add 7 to both sides, giving us 5x is less than or equal to 9. And then divide by 5. This is the beauty of these. You can leave this as 9 over 5. It's not an incorrect answer. Alternatively, you can put 1.8 if you wish. Okay, factorize. So we've got a y squared in front. That means that in front of, or at the start of both of these brackets, you're going to have the letter y. We need two numbers that multiply to make negative 35. So we're going to have a plus and a minus. And then we need a combination that's going to add to 2. 5 and 7 are the ones we want. Then because it's going to be a negative outcome, we'll have the 5 as the positive and the 7 as the negative, so that when they're combined, we have a minus 2. Hence solve, hence means use your previous answer. We need to come up with a value of y that's going to make one of the brackets negative, because when they're then multiplied, irrespective of the second value, it's going to make a 0. So we've got y equals 7 and y equals negative 5. Question 7, a Venn diagram. Seen a lot of these during these videos. Complete the Venn diagram for this information. Okay, so in A intersection B, we've got 5, 10, and 15. Oh, not in A, not in B. Interesting. So 14 is not in either of them. So 14 is going to go on the outside. And at the top, actually, I want to just cross them off as we go. I've not come across one that I've had to fill in the Venn diagram like this. This is interesting. 13 is not in B. I've just dropped my calculator. But it doesn't say that it's not in A. So therefore, it must be in A. So 13 is there. 12 isn't in B. So it must be in A because it's not a pair. Same for 11. So 12 and 11 are done. 10's done. 9 is not in B, but it's not said that it's not in A. So 9. 8 is a pair. You can see 8 is not in both of them. So we'll put that on the outside. And then 7 is not in B. That's also a pair. 6 is left over. And 4, they're not in A. So therefore they must be in B. Because it doesn't say they're not in B. So that's the Venn diagram done. That's it. That's all I need to do as well. So 3 marks. Happy with that. Question 8. Oh, one of these questions. Work out A times B. All right. So that's actually not too bad. 4.2 times by 3. So 4.2 times 3 is 12.6. 10 to the minus 24 times by 10 to the 145 is 145 take away 24, because we add the powers together, gives us 10 to the 121. Now sadly, this number is not in standard form, so I need to divide it by 10, which means we need to multiply the other one by 10, giving us 122. So 1.26 times 10 to the 122. Question number 9. Isosceles triangle, good to know. Drawing on that straight away. Calculate the area of the triangle, mean that we're going to need to know the height. Because we can draw that line down there, we've got Pythagoras theorem. So we can work out the height by doing 17.5 squared, take away 14 squared, and that will give us the height squared. 17.5 squared, take away 14 squared. That's 110.25 is h squared, and therefore h will equal 21 over 2, 10.5. Wonderful. Okay, then to work out the area, it's 10.5 times by 28 divided by 2. So I can times the answer by 14, can't I? 147 centimeters squared. Marvelous. Right, question 10. Oh, I love this. Okay. We need, whoa, the screen not to go crazy, that's for sure. So, for a straight line graph, we need the format to be y equals mx plus c in order to be able to work out the gradient, work out the y-intercept. So we need to rearrange it. So first of all, we take away 7x from both sides. 2y is equal to negative 7x plus 10. Then we need to divide throughout by 2. Y equals negative 3.5x plus 5, and therefore the gradient is negative 3.5. So it's a graph that's going down as we go left to right. Find the coordinates of the point where y crosses the y-axis. That's the y-intercept, which is that bit there, and it says the coordinates. So where it crosses, we've said it's going to cross there, it's going down, and therefore it's 0, 5. Let me just double check everything there. 0, 5. Correct. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Keep following the channel, keep watching, get some more subscribers for me, get some watch hours. Hey, leave a few videos on Play on Mute. Who knows? Who knows if we can make a success of this channel or not? But I will see you for paper 2, which I will get released again very soon. Thanks for your support and good luck in your exams.